In this video, I will show you how to add goals in Patreon. So, first of all, go to your Play Store if you are using your Android phone, and if you are using Apple, then go to App Store. Now, search Patreon app. Now, open this. After opening this, you will see a page. Now, if you are new to Patreon, then you need to sign up. Click on sign up. Here you can see you just need to add your name, your email address, a strong password and a confirm password, and then sign up. Now I have already account in my Patreon app, so I'm just continue with Google, and here is my email ID. Let's click on that. Now you can see this is my new account in Patreon because I don't use this app at much. So now just click on that profile picture. Yep. Then click on support. You can see you have just came into a Patreon page where you can find out how can we help. So let's search how to add goals. uh Click on that how to set goals for your page. Let me click on that, and you can see that the goal feature has been removed from Patreon. Yep guys, the goal feature has been removed. So that's it for today video. I hope you like that, and if you like this video, please click on like button, and thanks for watching.